Alright, this is Alabama Headhunter. This is a January 1st, 2013. I couldn't stay in the house no more. I came out here to a field that hadn't been plowed in many years. They've come out here and they're hauling timber out from around the edge of the field. You really can't see nothing. I don't know if it's because the ground's too wet or what. And I found a really cool uniface tool. It's the bottom, but then you look at it and that little sucker's worked all the way around. I like that. I found a base a while ago. It wasn't worth filming, but so far that's all I found. I'm gonna look around here a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go over and walk some banks on the Coosa River. I hope I'll be back soon. Alright, I might have another one here over on the edge of the road. Here's one for you, Jonesy, and all you folks from Georgia and Carolinas. It's a quartzy. I don't know if it's whole or what. You never can tell about these things. It's whole and it's muddy. There's an arrowhead for the day. I got another possibility right over here. Some of the Weiss quartz stuff. Let me go over and see if that's anything. No, it's just a flake. Just a flake. Alright, let's keep looking around here. Hunting ain't really no count here. I'm out here under an umbrella hunting. I was desperate to get out of the house. Alright, I'm going to turn this thing off and look around here for a few more minutes. I've got another piece here. It's a base of a real big point. It's what I think y'all call like a Savannah River over around the North Carolinas. Big base. And I can remember when I was a kid coming out here in my early 20s, coming out here with my two brothers, and it would not be uncommon for us to put 20, 30 points each in our pockets in this field. But now I haven't seen this field plowed in 15, 20 years maybe. Alright, let's see if we can find something else. Alright, I'm back. I'm trying to fight this umbrella and film. It's kind of hard to do all this by myself. It's been a minute. There's another point. I'm not having too bad of a day out here. Yeah, there goes my umbrella. Weiss quartz point. Looks so much like the rhyolite y'all get over east of here. Alright, let's keep looking. Had enough hands, I'd walk and look. I bet I'll find something else between here and yonder. Alright, we'll get back. Right, I'm out here on the Coosa River. I hadn't found anything yet. Just really got out here to the site. Pretty good walk. I want to show you something. You see this groove cutting the ground? Goes on around, 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 all the way over to there. That's where a boat got out here in shallow water and just tore this up. 7, 8 years ago, I found one heck of a paleo point in one of these. These things have a tendency to fill in over a couple of years, but then somebody else will come out here and do it too. But I'm going to walk this trench, and I'm going to go walk the bank over there. Maybe I'll come up with something. We'll see. It's still raining. Alright, we're going to do a quick cleanup of what I picked up today.
been a messy, messy day today. It has rained all day long. It started about 3:30 or 4 this morning. It's 4 this afternoon. But I'll show you what I found today. I got this big base, like a Savannah River or something, made out of Weiss quartz. Found this base, Weiss quartz, this came off Talladega Creek where they've been doing some bulldozing. And this come off the riverbank on the Coosa River. And that on the bank of the Coosa, just a tip. Pretty nice little base, third point, triangle point. Tip of a drill. And where the log skidders and bulldozers been, I found this point. And I found this quartz point. And I found this really cool little tool, little uniface tool. You see it's worked all the way around. It's pretty cool. I like that thing. Just as smooth as it can be on top. I'm assuming from wear it's just more smooth. But that's it for the day. A lot of walking in the rain for not much. But I got out. That's what's important. Been sick with the flu for a week. Finally got to feeling better. Went out in the rain. Hope y'all all have a great new year. I'll see you soon.